Good morning, learners. Welcome to our carpentry class. Module number 10, Acquire and Inspect Materials and Tools. Objectives. Request appropriate materials and tools according to the prepared list. Accomplish the list of materials needed for a specific job. Comply with the procedures in preparing bill of materials. Time for review. True or false? Blank. In checking accessories of each material and tool, make sure that nothing is missing. The answer is true. Number 2. Blank. No need to check the materials and tools complete in terms of quantity and specification, number of pieces, length, width, etc. The answer is false. In checking physical condition of tools, check tools against the specification, quantity, and quality. See to it that the parts are complete, cutting edges or tooth-free from damages. The answer is true. Number 4. Get a replacement for the materials and tools found not defective. The answer is false. Number 5. If any of the materials or tools found missing or defective, no need immediately to the supply officer or teacher. The answer is false. Lesson and topic. Prepare construction materials and tools. Acquire and inspect materials and tools. It is important to inspect and check materials and tools for defects and damage before receiving them, so that you can ask for replacement for those that you found defective. Remember, sign the requisition form as you receive materials and tools. Store the received materials and tools in a safe area or storeroom nearest your workplace. Store materials in proper order, bulky and heavier materials at the bottom, lighter and smaller items on top of the pile. Always handle the materials and tools carefully. Avoid dropping the tools on the floor. Do not expose tools and materials on sunlight or rains. Check the accessories of each material and tool, so see to it that nothing is missing. Check if the materials and tools are complete in terms of quantity and specification, number of pieces, length, width, etc. Valuing. Comply with the procedures in preparing bill of materials. Let's remember, don't forget, request appropriate materials and tools according to the prepared list and accomplish the list of materials needed for a specific job. Self-check 3.1 Direction. Check the materials and tools that are being received in the checklist. Put X if the materials and tools are not in good condition, and check if in good condition. Write your answers in your answer sheet. One piece 3/4 inch plywood. Is it good or is it rejected? 1 liter satin maple. Is it good or rejected? 1 kilo finishing nails, 1.5 inch. Is it good or rejected? 1 foot sandpaper. Is it good or rejected? 1 liter QDE Boysen paint green. Is it good or rejected? 1 liter thinner lacquer. Is it good? Rejected. 1 piece paintbrush. Is it good or rejected? Answer key. Number 1, rejected. 2, good. 3, rejected. 4, good. 5, good. 6, good. 7, good. Thank you, learners. See you next meeting.